As some of the viewers of this podcast may not know about Charlie Taylor, this may be a good time to talk about this rather amazing man. A couple of clues that may reveal his identity to you. He was born in 1868 and died in 1956. He lived in Dayton, Ohio. In 1896, two brothers offered him a job working only 60 hours a week for 30 cents an hour. He actually jumped at this offer as it was actually a really good hourly rate, and he could also ride his bicycle back home for lunch each day. And shortly after starting working for them, he became a key player in one of the most known moments in aviation. That's right, or maybe I should say, that's right. Because Charlie Taylor was the mechanic who made that first powered flight on December the 17th, 1903 possible. So why is he seen as having such a crucial role in the success of that first flight? Because we do tend to hear not a lot about him. Well, it's because the Wright brothers had been searching for an engine that was light yet powerful enough to get the aircraft and a pilot off the ground. And despite contacting all the engine manufacturers, nothing was available, so they turned to Charlie. So Charlie, who was a great machinist, but had almost no experience with internal combustion engines, went about building in just 6 weeks an engine that was more powerful and lighter than was requested by the Wright brothers.